Welcome to After Hours Action. I'm Greg Greenberg from The Street. U.S. stocks inched higher Tuesday to another record close, but investors remain cautious about placing big new bets during this holiday-shortened trading week. One stock moving in extended hours trading is HP, which beat by a penny on the bottom line. Sales also beat Street consensus. Stocks up 7% in extended hours trading. Now, let's wrap up the market. Dow was up less than a point to 16,073, while the S&P closed up less than a point to 1803. The Nasdaq was up 23 points to finish at 4,018. The tech-heavy index closed above 4,000 for the first time in 13 years. All right. In corporate news, Tiffany & Company shares popped 9% to 88 bucks after the diamond seller beat earnings estimates with profits of 73 cents a share. Meanwhile, Barnes & Noble stock fell 6% after it posted a jump in second quarter profits due to cost cutting, but a larger than expected revenue drop. Finally, one more retailer on this big shopping week, Joseph A. Bank surged 11% to 56 bucks after Men's Warehouse offered to buy the company for $55 per share in cash. Men's Warehouse jumped 7% on the takeout bid. Staying with the retail theme, e-commerce technology provider Criteo helps online retailers sell more by figuring out which ads customers will click on. Ingenious, right? The French company priced its IPO on the Nasdaq last month, which is perfect timing with Cyber Monday less than a week away. Here to talk about how Criteo keeps shoppers clicking is the company's CEO, JB, as he likes to be called. JB, your company went public on the Nasdaq last month at
Absolutely.
31. You're now trading at 36. Can you give a little better explanation as to what you do? I know you help online retailers make people click on their ads, but how do you do it?
Actually, we are disrupting the whole display advertising space by offering a search-like experience to clients with a cost-per-click model rather than the traditional CPM model. And this is a whole game changer, how advertisers can buy at scale performance advertising on display.
And your company's been around for around 8 years, but you just went public last month. Who are some of your clients?
We have more than 4,000 clients around the world. Here in the US, our biggest market, in Europe and in APAC, and including big guys like Expedia, Macy's, and a lot of big retailers.
And is the third quarter generally your biggest quarter? Your sales were up 60% in this past third quarter. Is that because retailers are trying to get ready for the big holiday shopping season, which we're seeing this week?
Retail is a big piece of our business, but we have also a lot of travel clients, classified, finance, and we are growing very quickly. So every quarter we're adding new business. So our ramp up of revenue is a mix of growing our own clients and adding every quarter between 300 and 400 new clients.
And how do you work with mobile? Because nowadays more people are clicking on ads on mobile, and so how do your predictive algorithms work on mobile devices?
Mobile is one of the most exciting area of growth for the company. We started mobile in Japan, the most advanced market, where mobile is already something very mainstream. And now the wave is coming to the US. And we're very excited by all the potential down the road. This is a real game changer in this industry. And offering our technology across all devices is extremely important.
And across all social media as well. You have a Facebook exchange, but does that exclude you from Twitter or Snapchat? How are you aligned with regard to all the social media out there?
So we're working with all kinds of publishers, including obviously Facebook, which is one of our big partners. We are one of the biggest buyers on the exchange. We are excited about this partnership, and we are building this over time.
And who are you competing against? Because one would think that there's a lot of competition in that arena, and there's also a lot of retailers worried that they don't want to share their technology with some of their competitors. But you're agnostic, right? Everyone can use your service.
Yeah, we work at the same time with Macy's, with Staples, with anyone in the retail industry. And we are really competing with the legacy players, the incumbents that are offering a CPM model. And by offering the CPC model, this cost per click model, which looks like search, it's really a game changer. And this is how we can change the market from a more branding market to a pure performance market.
And what does the shopping season look like from your perspective right now? Can you get a view of it? So how is Cyber Monday shaping up?
So it is very exciting, and this year, as Cyber Monday is a little later in the year, you should see holiday selling a little more concentrated than last year. things are getting in place, and we should see a very, very big numbers. What we see from our standpoint, and when you do targeted ads with the right product at the right person, you can double the conversion rate compared to just natural traffic.
But do you sell more to your customers this week? Can you upsell them during Cyber Monday, before Christmas or before Mother's Day? Are these big times when your customers say, I need a little bit more from Criteo?
Absolutely. I mean, during Cyber Monday, typically we can grow by a factor of 2 or 3 the amount of volume for a given client. There is a huge upside for the client because all the shoppers are lining up, and making sure you are offering them the right product is a game changer in terms of conversion.
Our thanks again to JB from Criteo, and thank you for watching After Hours Action on the Street. From New York, I'm Greg Greenberg.